Hi friends, welcome back to the Simple Niche video channel. In this video, I want to share with all my friends about how to merge cells in Microsoft Excel. Usually, merge cells in Excel is used when creating tables. Because the table is required to make two rows while only one has one row. Okay, let's get started. Here I have a table. Well, later some cells in this table will be merged into one. Select two cells, then go to the home menu and click on merge and center in the alignment section. Well, automatically the cell that we selected earlier will merge into one. You can also merge more than one cell, like this. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video.